Hey there foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very healthy and delicious breakfast meal option for you all. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a large mixing bowl, add in the chopped vegetables that are available in your home. So here I have added in chopped onions, chopped green chilies, chopped curry leaves and a few chopped chickadoo into it. You can even add in capsicum or whatever vegetables are available in your home, you can add in accordingly. And here you need to add in 1/4 cup of wheat flour and half cup of gram flour or the chickpea flour into it, and 1/4 cup of jowar flour or the sorghum flour into it. The spoon that I'm using is the measure of 1/4 cup. Now add in the spices: half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt according to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And for extra spiciness you can even add in the red chili flakes into the batter. Now the main ingredient that we are going to add here, which gives the fluffiness to our batter, is the baking powder. Yes guys, you need to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder into the mixture and 1/4 cup of curd followed by it. This is totally optional. In case you want to skip, you can skip it, and you can use an alternative like the egg, which gives more protein and makes the breakfast option more healthier. Now add in water as required and make a semi-thick dough out of it. So you can see the batter is just ready. Now let's move on to the next step. Here I have heated a pan on the stove, and now I'm going to line it with 1 teaspoon of butter or ghee. This way you can spread so that it gets spreaded to all the corners of the pan. Now here I'm going to pour in 3 to 4 ladle filled spoons of batter onto my pan, and now I'm going to top it with few red chili flakes, black pepper powder, and cumin powder or the cumin seeds, and also with few sesame seeds. You can even add an oregano on top of it, which gives the just taste and flavor like the pizza. So this is totally optional. You can garnish it accordingly, or you can even garnish it with the chopped vegetables like the carrot, capsicum and olive, so that it looks like the pizza, the healthy version of pizza. Now cover it and cook on low flame for another 5 minutes. So here you can see after 5 minutes from one side it is cooked well. Now you need to turn it onto the other side. In case you're going to add the toppings like the vegetables, do not turn it back, just cook it on one side for a little more time. So cook it another side by covering. So after 2 to 3 minutes, here you can see our delicious, healthy, very tasty breakfast is just ready. Now you can take it out onto a plate. This way you can see how yum and delicious it is looking. And the same way I'm going to make all the breakfast pancakes in the same way. So do try it out guys. This is going to be very tasty and delicious, and after trying, let me know your feedback and let me know your experiences in the comment section. So just you can cut it using a pizza cutter. You can even add in cheese on top of it, which gives it enhanced taste. So because I'm making it on a healthier side, I have totally skipped the unhealthy things like oil or the cheese. You can make it according to your wish. You can make modifications how it suits you by changing the vegetables, the procedure little bit here and there, and you can make it. So this was the recipe for today. In case you find it interesting, do hit a like button. Also share it with your friends and family members, and do subscribe, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Bye.